Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. I hope this finds you all well and in having a nice day. I've been busy making my cards and I have this beautiful card to share with you today. I love it, mainly because I love kitties, and we do have a ginger kitty that frequents our garden quite frequently. He feels safe and he's not ours. I don't know who he belongs to, but he doesn't belong to anyone in our little close. But he likes to come into the garden and he feels safe and happy there, and he has a nice good scratch and a sniff around, and he likes to sun himself on the grass. So I made this little card thinking of him. So let's get started. Let me show you the stamp set actually. It's called this one Cheerful Basket. As you can see, I'm going to be using the hearts, the sentiment, the cat, the basket. You could usually put apples, you could put all, I love this, you can put all your craft stuff in the basket. Isn't that just perfect for us crafters? Really cute set. So we're going to stamp in Memento because we're colouring everything in using the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. So I've got everything set up here in my stamp apparatus. I'm going to give everything a really good ink up. With my Memento ink. Might have to do a second go, but I think I need to re-ink my Memento. I just use it so often that it needs to get re-inked fairly regularly. One more go and I think that's actually okay. Just the sentiment. But we'll do everything else, get a nice image. Okay, one for luck. Perfecto. So let's take that out, put these back. Now, as I said, I'm going to colour this in using my Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, and I'll put you on fast forward while I do it and put some music on. But I'll just show you what colours I used here. This is Real Red, light and dark. I've got here Soft Suede and Crumb Cake, and this is Pumpkin Pie. So, and then here I should say I've got a little bit of Smoky Slate. So I'm going to get on and do that, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I coloured everything in and then I cut it out using the matching dies. So let's take these off. I just use a bit of post-it note tape to hold everything in position. And these are the full of basket dies, and they are so cute. And let's see this last one here. Okay, so there are our pieces cut out, and then our sentiment I did already cut out using just my trimmer, just very gently cut it out. Okay, and now I'm going to trim and put this on a piece of Starry Sky cardstock. I'm getting glue everywhere, which is not a good thing. And I'm just going to do very quick mats here, and I'm just gonna cut it out freehand using my scissors, just like that. Okay, let's put that aside. Now we can build our card. So I have a piece here of Awkward Oasis Designer Series paper, and this is just half a sheet. It's a 6x6 pack, so just half a sheet, so that's 6 inch, that's 3 inches. And I'm just going to put this on a slightly bigger piece of basic white, just like that. And then this is all going to go on a, whoopsie daisy, I'm getting glue everywhere today. Try and rub with seal, like with snail, you can just rub it off. And I've mapped this on a piece of Starry Sky. Just try and get it centered. All the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and the link is in the description box below. Now I'm going to put this on a piece of on the card base, which is thick basic like card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And I'm just going to lay this down. Just like that. And then I'm just going to use my scissors here to trim off the overhang. Like that. And that's what we have so far. Let's get rid of those bits. And now we can start to arrange our pieces. So I'm going to get some dimensionals out. Let's use up some of these edges here. I'm going to put it on my sentiment here. Just use up all of your dimensionals. Don't let any of it go to waste. It's all good stuff. There we go. Get rid of those backings. And I'm going to put this at the top here again, I think. Just like that. Then bring our basket, and I'm going to just put a few dimensionals towards the base, not at the top. There's a reason for that. It's because I want to be able to tuck. So let's put the basket like that. Then we have our tarts. I'm going to put a bit of glue on the back there, and they're just going to tuck in like that. Now if you want to put a dimensional in now, just to make sure everything's okay, you can, which is what I'm doing. Like that. And then we're going to have our little kitty against the side here. Now I'm going to put dimensional on one side and not the other. So let's see. Yeah, I'm going to put it on one side. And then a bit of glue on the other. I'm just going to butt it up, and that way the cat will stand flat. Then I'm going to use these for finishing touches. And these are the heart pearls. So let's use a few of these up. I'm just going to put them, no specific rhyme or reason where I'm going to put them, just anywhere that takes my fancy. I'm going to use 3, just like that. So there are the cards. I love it. I hope you do too. If you do like this project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, as I said, all the links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.